Merry Christmas everyone, the big man has come and it is the big day. I hope you're having a fantastic day, hope you're having a lovely day with loved ones and hopefully you got all the presents that you wanted today. This is the big day. So Santa has brought me a sangria, so I will show you guys how to make a sangria. It's a little bit of tradition to mine to make every Christmas day and I will show you how to make my version of it. So to make a sangria guys, what you want to do is get a big bowl and I've already filled mine with ice, so you have to do it with ice first. And then just put in your fruit. So I've already got it pre-prepared it, already cut. So I've got slices of orange, slices of apple, slices of pear. And also you can have red berries if you got it as well, that's optional. So we'll just put this into the bowl now and mix it up. There we go. So what I'll do now, I'll give you a close-up of the bowl. So what we're going to do now guys is add the red wine. So I'm using Cognac, which is a nice Spanish red wine. So that's 450ml, that is around 15 ounces of red wine. It's not took the full bottle, this one. So what we're going to do now, because it's a little bit of Christmas, is add a little bit of cinnamon. So just add a little dash, there you go. So next what I want to do now is add the brandy, so 100ml, which is set 3.3 ounces. I'm using Martel BS. This is a very nice cognac from France. So 100ml, 3.3 ounces. And the final thing to do now guys is just really top it up with sparkling water. 300ml, 10 ounces. I'm using Pellegrino. So what I want to do now, the very last thing now, is to add 3 tablespoons of caster sugar. Last tablespoon, there we go. So the very last thing we want to do now guys is just to give it a little bit of stir to dissolve that sugar now. So I'm just going to keep poking it really. So all we're doing now is we're just poking and just chilling the sangria out. And as simple as that, one sangria. So the best thing to do guys is just to let it settle now. Just put it in the fridge overnight and enjoy it nice for the morning or afternoon lunch really on Christmas dinner. Can't think of a finer way to celebrate a sangria than that. But now I will taste the sangria. How does it taste? else. So, how does it taste? One sangria. Merry Christmas, everyone. Very nice. One word, a few words to describe it is, it tastes like Christmas to me. I think I've had it for the last 3 or 4 Christmases, so this is no surprise to me. But that is absolutely beautiful. That is absolutely fantastic. But you wait 24 hours, just leave this in the fridge, and then let it marinate, and you'll have all that fruit juice within. It tastes absolutely beautiful. I can't recommend this sangria high enough. So it gives you that summer vibes, doesn't it? Something to look forward to. You always think of summer, don't you? Spain, sangria, you're in the sun. But that, guys, has been my sangria. What do you guys think of it? It's a little bit out there. It's a little bit improvisation, like I've always done on this channel. But I've also loved to present my sangrias in my school bowl. I always have. I've always enjoyed my school bowl glass and always serve it like that. The other thing I'm a little bit disappointed if I didn't have it is red berries, but oh well, it is what it is here. Santa, next time bring me red berries for this channel. But that, guys, has been the sangria. Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a fabulous day with your loved ones. Cherish your memories. Hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you guys for my next cocktail video, as I will be continuing my Christmas theme and New Year themed cocktails throughout December, so stick around. But I've been MixedSid. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as we are on the road to 2K. Can I do that before the year is out? So I know I've got less than a week now to do this. So just over 250 short. So can I do a world record 250 subs in a week? But optimistic, maybe I might, maybe I won't. But you've all been awesome throughout 2022. So I do thank you all for sticking around on the MixedSid channel for 2022, as you have been fabulous. And I will see you guys for the next Christmas cocktail. Merry Christmas.